Anyway, so hello and welcome back to another unboxing. Have a look at the postage, $9.30, Pakenham. So this is going to be a surprise to me because I'm not too sure what I actually purchased in here. Well, they Uzbekistan coins. We'll find out. So first of all, while you're looking at that, we'll see what was in this envelope here. Oh, there's a single coin inside. Take the coin out. And this one is a Tibetan coin. So Tibetan coins, they issue coins up into the 50s, you know, even after the Chinese took over, they were still issuing their own coins for a while until they adopted the Chinese renminbi. So this is I think it's a one shoal, and it has like, I thought it was damaged, but looking at that now, it's just got glue or something on it, so it's been glued onto somewhere. Hopefully I can take that off. So it's got the, I think it's a Wheel of Dharma, can't remember. I need to look that up. And they're quite a nice coin. So which way does it go up? Okay, so the letterings are facing in. So if you want to read it, you need to turn it around that side. And that's the right way up for the face of the coin. And on this side we have the Himalayan mountains, and like a dragon or a lion, something like that anyway. Looks like a lion. Anyway, that's a nice coin. These ones cost between $10 and $20, and they're rated, and they do come in different denominations. Okay, so these coins, what have I got? I've got some South Vietnamese coins, which I've got quite a lot of. So first of all, French Indochina. This one is well worn, looks like 1911, and that's a 1 cent. Yeah, that's well worn. And then we have 10 dong for 1964, like 100 million minted. A 22 from 1953. And then we have another 10 dong. I quite like South Vietnam. The history is very interesting. Then we have, okay, so this is what I do like to collect these days. So these are Vaticans. I'm not religious, but you know, I just like Vatican coins. I just like the coat of arms. So this one is a 5 lira from, where's the date on it? Okay, the date's here. So how you work it out, M is 1,000. So M, C before M, so C is 100. When you put it before M, it's minus 100. So it's 1,000 minus 100 is 19. 9, should I say? So it's 19. Then we have L. L is 50. XX is 20, because each X is 10. So that's 50, 60, 70, and we've got 5. So 1975. And then we have another one from 1975. 20 lira. So it was equivalent, like 2 cents. Oh, the design is quite nice. So these ones sell for at least $10 each. So that's why I got it. I think I got them for like $20 for the lot. Should be more here. Where's the rest? Okay. Okay, there's a 50. There should be a 10. There's the 10. Okay, so I got 5, 10, 20, 50. And here's the 10 lira. It's quite nice. Basket with Paul's head falling into it. See his head fall? Oh no, it looks like him actually. And then we have, so I'm not too sure what these actually represent. I need to look it up. Yeah, it's a 50 lira. They look quite nice. So once again, all these cost about $10 each, and there's 5 coins, so that's about $50 all up. And I've got some more South Vietnamese coins, which, you know, I'll probably just pretty much resell. So we have a, okay, this is a French Indochina 10 cent. If I don't have it, I'll keep it. So 1945, not too sure if I have that one. A 20 cent from 1945. I know I've got the 20 cent, I'm not too sure about the 10 cent. So these are about $45 each. Okay, 1960, one dong. So this is the dictator at the time. I think he's, I can't remember his name. Something DM. Anyway, and he's on 50 Sue as well. So this is 1960, there's also 1963. And these ones sell for about probably in this condition about $5 to $10. And the last ones we have is, oh yeah, Uzbekistan. And it's a 50 Tien 94. I wasn't paying attention. I could have got a Turkmenistan coin from coin series 93, 94. I think that sold for like $12. This is a more common series. So we have, okay, so we have the 194, 1 tie-in. So they don't use these anymore. It's about 5,000 to 6,000 som equals. So som is equivalent to like $1. So these haven't been in circulation for at least 20 years. Okay, 3. And these should have 3. Weird. 5. Then we have a 10. Tie in. We have a 20 tie in, which is normal. So they didn't issue a 15 tie in. And we have a 15. 50 should I say. So this as a set, yeah, probably costs probably at least $10 to $20. Okay, so I'm not too sure if I have that set. I need to have a look at the videos I got. And then we have in here, not too sure. I think this is a banknote lot. Okay, it's just one banknote from Mali. So yes, Mali. Oh no, Guinea. Sorry, wrong country. Guinea does issue their own francs. They don't use the French Pacific. So this is a 500 francs from the 1960s. They changed their currency to Chile in 1971. So 1971, yeah. So these hasn't been in circulation for over about 50 years. And these cost between, yeah, probably $40 to $50, I'd say. And I got this for 30. Or maybe even more than that. Maybe 50 to 60. Sorry, I'm just going off my head from what I do remember. This is a nice landscape. So the values these come in is 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 francs. So this was probably equivalent to something like, I don't know, $5 back in the 60s. So it's probably at least $50 now, so pretty high value banknote. Anyway, here's Dictator, can't remember his Tule or whatever his name is. Need to look that up. Anyway, I don't have that banknote, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to keep this or just resell it. Anyway, that is the new items that I got. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these, the Vatican coins I'm not going to resell again. They're just too gorgeous to resell. But yourself and these ones, this Uzbek, if I still got it a set, I'll probably put that back on. But you know, this Vatican set is nice. So I do put these on eBay. I do have my own website, but it doesn't have the majority of items. But if I don't have anything that you're interested in, I do have an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. And I think I get like 3% of the sale. Helps me purchase more stuff to resell. Yeah, I know. But this is just the way the world is. Anyway, I'll leave some links down below. Let me know which of these you actually like the best, because that can help me for the future. Please give it a thumbs up, it helps the algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I encourage you to ask questions. There is no stupid question. The only stupid question is the one not asked. Okay? And I'll endeavour to answer. Thank you and goodbye.